right, let's review this one more time. At precisely 8:32-ish, Exhibit A, Woody, was kidnapped. Exhibit B, composite sketch of the kidnapper.
He didn't have a beard like that.
Fine. Etch, give him a shave.
The kidnapper was bigger than that.
Oh, picky.
Let's just go straight to Exhibit F. The kidnapper's vehicle. Now, the vehicle fled the scene in this direction.
Your eyes are in backwards. It went the other way.
Hey, put a cork in.
How do you spell FBI?
High crime scene.
Oh, why don't you watch where you're going, Godspiller?
I didn't know there was a crime scene.
Excuse me. A little quiet, please. Thank you.
Huh?
Lady try brain. Lousy try Brian.
What are you doing, Buzz?
Some sort of message encoded on that vehicle's ID tag.
Liz try
It's just the license plate. It's just a jumble of letters.
Yeah, and there are about 3.5 million registered cars in the Tri-County area alone.
Lose thy burn.
Oh, this can't help. Let's leave Buzz to play with his toy.
Toy. Hold on!
Al's toy barn.
Al's toy barn.
Etch, draw that man in a chicken suit.
It's the Chicken Man!
That's our guy.
I knew there was something I didn't like about that chicken.
Yeah. I'll be right there. And we're gonna do this commercial in one take, do you hear me? Because I am in the middle of something really important. You, my little cowboy friend, are gonna make me big bucks. Andie. I can't believe I have to drive all the way to work on a Saturday. All the way to work!
It's really you!
What's me?
There's a snake in my boot. Ha! It is you!
Please stop saying that.
Prospector said someday you'd come. Sweet mother of Abraham Lincoln, the prospector! He'll want to meet ya! Say hello to the prospector!
Why, the prodigal son has returned. Okay, I'm officially freaked out now. Oh, we've waited countless years for this day. It's good to see you, Woody. Listen, I don't know what... Hey, how do you know my name?
Everyone knows your name, Woody.
Why, you don't know who you are, do you?